Hello everybody and welcome to Universal Orlando Resort, or I guess you could say whatever was here, nothing. But we are here getting ready here for today's vlog that's going to go on by. We're going to show you everything that there is to do here today. And any changes that went on by, of course, as you can see, the sign is gone and working on it. And we'll see when he gets back. So without further ado, enjoy today's featured presentation. As we're walking into Universal Studios on a little bit of a cloudy day, but the sunshine's still being out. So it is about 85, 86 outside right now. Mardi Gras is still going on till April 24th. The concerts as of this moment in time on April 6, 2022, they're over. They're done. No more. However, you can still enjoy Mardi Gras with the parade, the food, the bead throw, everything you could think of. But as far as concerts, that's it. So just want to showcase that, showcase and everything, you know, for those who want to go to Universal and still enjoy Mardi Gras. You got till April 24th to enjoy all the action. So it's almost about 2 o'clock right now, and looks like they're getting ready for the parade, for the Superstar Parade that's going on in a matter of minutes, literally. So we gotta get across right now. And you can tell, look, it looks like it's about to rain, but it's not gonna, so, Watch out, guys. You could tell, though, the way how things are looking all together. I mean, crowd is basically heading toward the parade. First ride of the day, let's head over to ET. So I think I did mention this, but with ET, look what they brought back. These interplanetary cards here. That's awesome. Can't wait to get on this again. I always like this ride, and to bring these back, that's a win-win. Let's do it. So you see we got out of ET, and we're walking through Springfield. If you're wondering how the crowd is today, well, I would say kind of packed. Like, obviously this area is crowded. That's not really a surprise. Very lively. And then I just heard behind me, nothing too crazy, but I don't think it's anything too crazy. ET was technically a 20-minute wait, so that was not bad per se. So I don't know what we'll do next yet. We'll see. Alrighty, up next, Men in Black, Alien Attack. I wonder when they're going to update this, seriously. I'm getting tired of this nothing here. So we just did Men in Black, Alien Attack at 483,000. Oh look, there's Men in Black on some of the smallest TVs you'll ever find. Look at how old that is right there. From 1990s and everything. But yeah, that's Men in Black right there. We're going to head over, get a quick bite to eat, a little snack, and then we'll go to the next ride. So I want to showcase this real quick, but they now have merchandise for Halloween Horror Nights 2022. It's over where Bourne and the Horror Makeup Show are at. It's only these for right now. But just want to showcase it, and the theme, once again, never go alone. I feel like they've been doing this lately, though. Don't know why. So we're out at Studios. We did a couple things on the side. We ate a big giant jack potato over at the Harry Potter area for Diagon Alley. And we checked out the Mardi Gras Tribute store. That's over on the New York side, right by the Mummy. And from what I've been told, sometime in the summer, they are actually going to have a new tribute store. As far as to what, time will tell. But from what the employees told me, they said it's going to be big. So it's going to be interesting. And look at the former attraction of Shrek 4D. All the facade on the top is gone. They still have some remnants out there I could see. But they haven't really done a lot of work like that's visible to the naked eye. But they have emptied out a lot of things on the inside of the building. So that's crazy. So now that that's out of the way and we're out of here, let's head over to Islands and get ready to ride Velocicoaster and others. All right, you see it as we're going. We're about ready to go through a set of turnstiles, and we're gonna head over to the other one. So now we got one part done and off to the next. So the sun is starting to go down little by little, and I'm telling you, that means nighttime rides on Velocicoaster are nearing. Hopefully, the keyword hopefully, Science Fury will be open by the time we get there. We'll try to get on a show. So more work being done on the carousel. And as far as what I know, I have no idea when this will actually reopen, but man, they've been working on this thing like crazy throughout the whole month of March. And right now, I haven't heard anything going off, but can't really see a whole lot through the scrim, but you can tell there's scaffolding that's still up there for sure on the High in the Sky Seuss Trolley train ride area. As far as carriers who sell, I can't see anything in there for now, but yeah, a lot of work being done. Other than that, Seuss Landing is still doing its thing. So, we just got off Hagrid's. Let me just get a couple things out of the way. First off, as of this moment, they are at reduced capacity, meaning the line isn't moving as quick as possible, which sucks. However, that did gain one positive. We got a front row ride on the thing, and let me tell you, holy cow, that was amazing. Have not done front row in a long time, but man, was it worth it. Right now, currently 140-minute wait, and they're gonna be closing it early just so they get some maintenance on there, so oh my word, man, that's nuts. But you want to talk about luck, people? That probably was at the top of the list, man. I seen we got in front row, man. Wow. Shout out to Dustin, by the way, if you're interested in seeing this video, man. That dude, awesome, cool. Glad you got to ride front row on Hagrid's. All right, so after that front row ride on Hagrid's, you can see as the music is definitely gonna be changing from Jurassic Park to Jurassic World. You already know exactly what I mean by, once we head over to this area, what is the best coaster in the city of Orlando, Florida. Not the best of Florida anymore, but still an easy number 2. But at the same time, this ride still is amazing for what it's worth. That's right, Velocicoaster. Definitely fun. And there she is. Not really nighttime, more kind of starting to sunset. But when this ride lights up at night, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It is so good. And I'm telling you, man. Gotta love it. I'm telling you. So let's get on this ride and enjoy Velocicoaster. Yippee-ki-yay. All right, we did 2 coasters. We're gonna leave Islands for right now. We're gonna go celebrate at one of the places to eat. We're gonna probably go over to Tucson and have dinner over there, so that should be interesting. And then I'll be back here later on tonight to experience some of this on this side, maybe besides here, we'll see. Time warp, we're here at night, and it's a little after 8:30. We're gonna try to see if Poseidon's Fury has reopened. If not, we're gonna head back to Velocicoaster. Maybe do a couple other things in the process. But man, oh man, I'm so ready for this. Come on, Poseidon's Fury, don't let me down today. Jurassic World Velocicoaster, a 45-minute wait, and it's nighttime. Perfect time to get on this ride. Let's go do it. Absolutely hype. Well, I'm feeling brave. You can tell by getting this bag right here that you can hear, and you'll probably see it better with the light. We're gonna do River Adventure. It's a walk on. Let's get on. Skull Island, Rain of Kong. Only a 10-minute wait. Let's go on. And for the first time in quite some time, going through the entrance and actually doing this ride. This ride's been having some problems lately. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see if everything's all cool. Let's check out the entrance. Wow, so doing Kong. I just dropped my phone. So just got off the Skull Island Rain of Kong, and let me be the first to say, there's been a lot of problems with this ride lately. Mainly the Kong animatronic. I can officially say after doing that ride, Kong is working just as good. It's moving great, sounding great. I can't really complain one bit. So, definitely worth a ride. Also at nighttime, if you're able to do this outdoors, the outdoor section at night, whoo, it is nice. I love it. Especially if you really sit on the edge, man, you can really feel the fire outside. That's awesome. Really, really cool. Last ride of the night, Spider-Man. Let's do this. Alrighty, we just did all what we needed to do. We're gonna skip out on Doom and Hulk tonight. I don't think there's really any need. I could do those another time. So now, let's just head out of the park. So, on to the exit. Well guys, that'll do it here at Universal Orlando Resort. Just want to say first off, thank you very much for coming on the video and checking us out. If you like what we do here at We the Coasters, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, hit the bell notification for any future uploads. Follow us on our Instagram at We the Coasters. I am also on Twitter as well. And until then, this is Dylan from We the Coasters signing on off. Enjoy the rest of your day, no matter where you're at and where you're from. Stay positive, stay smart, have fun, and of course, have a good day. I shall see you guys for the next video, which will take place at SeaWorld Orlando the following day. Goodbye, everyone. What is going on, everyone? This is Dylan from We the Coasters as we are checking into SeaWorld Orlando. Getting ready to have some exciting fun here going on by. But look at this, what's new. Lots of progress over here. They have knocked down the huts. Dirt has been made. And a new coaster on the way. There's also construction a little bit going on over here, and purple flowers are coming off the tree. Anyways, we're about ready to get into the park, have some fun for the time being that we'll be here. So without further ado, enjoy today's featured presentation here at We the Coasters. As we go on by through near Journey to Lance and Kraken, one thing is for certain though, that rain could be coming very soon. So we're just trying to get on a ride, whatever we can, go from there. Also talk about Journey to Lance in just a second. Round two, let's do it. All right, we got a back row, baby. Woo! Man, we got lucky here. Oh, yeah! This is much better. Icebreaker. As currently seen, it's a one-train operation, but we're gonna be the next one on. The ride actually just reopened. We're gonna be the second one on ever since the technical delay. So, right on cue. Let's get on.
Now sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest, and get ready to break the ice.
on. Well, it's the first time we're talking about this on the channel. The rumored Project Penguin surf coaster that's coming here at SeaWorld Orlando. Lots of land has been cleared, the huts have been removed, and of course, lots of construction going on by. You see they are digging a lot of ground out here. There's one truck that is over there you're seeing that's leaving the property, and then of course, just digging up whatever they can here. Lots of work, I'm telling you. Keep an eye within the next few months. We may see a lot more progress as time goes on. Probably not today though, with that rain possibly coming, but yeah, lots of progress coming on by. Well, look what's reopened since our last visit. The Sky Tower. Actually reopened about a month ago, give or take. But you can see they're having the tower drop down. It was up earlier. Let's see if we get lucky here. Let's do it. And we're up. Look at this.
Sky Tower. Teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild.
So real quick, I want to show is that this land right here that they're doing, that is all part of Project Penguin. They're using every bit of land they can do out in this area. So keep an eye on that as time goes on by. All right, so I want to point out a thing I missed in the Sky Tower. So if you want to do it, you have to reserve it through here to your right. And if you are a silver, gold, or platinum pass member, it is for free. If you're a bronze platinum pass member, or bronze pass member, a fun card, or a regular admission, you have to pay $5. So I just want to point that out if you do want to check out the Sky Tower here at SeaWorld Orlando. While we're here just killing some time, check out the Sharks Underwater Grill. This place is absolutely amazing. Get wonderful views of the fish. Sharks are always hanging around here. Get to eat food by here. Definitely recommend if you ever come to SeaWorld. That and Lakeside Grill, those are the two best places you will ever eat, hands down. Ooh, this shark in the corner. Oh my lord. So I just want to showcase that real quick whenever you come here to SeaWorld Orlando. Look at, wow. Yep, it's raining, it's pouring, it's thunder and lightning. Oh boy. So all the rides are shut down now because of it there, but yikes. Not a good time to come today, but we did what we could. Oh well. Well guys, that's gonna do it after this rainy experience here at SeaWorld Orlando. What a weekend this was. Thank you guys for watching. If you like, be sure to give it a like. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, We The Coasters. Hit that bell notification for any future uploads and follow us on our Instagram at We. And of course, until the next video, I will see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Until then, goodbye. And I want to try to get dry. See you later. Goodbye.